Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Idioms 346. The idiom today is to batten down the hatches. Okay, let's take a look at the note here. If someone says to batten down the hatches, it means that one should prepare for trouble, difficulties, or a challenging situation. Okay, let's continue. The origin of this phrase is a nautical term. Nautical, coming from the sea or the navy. A nautical term. It literally meant to seal the hatches, seal them closed against an expected or predicted storm. It dates back to the 1800s and was used by the Navy. It meant to use strips of wood. Remember, strip is a long, thin, narrow piece of wood. Strips of wood, also known as batten. So that's where the batten comes from. Those were the strips of wood. Batten, and fastening it down with canvas over doorways and hatches. Here, the hatches were any openings. Okay, so now you got the idea of batten down the hatches. Okay, I guess, the storm, maybe the water might have leaked in through all these holes and everything else. Maybe the ship would have taken on some water. That might not have been a good thing. Let's continue. So we do have two examples here. If a strong predicted hurricane is coming, many store owners may batten down the hatches by nailing wood over windows. Yeah, because they're afraid maybe some of these windows might break. So they nail a big piece of wood over it to protect it. Or number two here, we don't have enough fuel to make it. This is like maybe somebody is in a helicopter or a plane. Batten down the hatches and prepare for a crash landing. We often hear something like that, or maybe in some futuristic spaceship or something. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.